Liar, have you been injured in an offshore or maritime accident? The ocean is the most dangerous workplace on the planet. US maritime industries are found in the nearly every state, employing more than 40 lakh workers across the nation. Maritime workers find employment in a variety of fields such as shipyards, marine terminals, fishing, aquaculture, seafood processing, commercial diving, and marine transportation. According to the Centers for Disease Control, maritime workers face a higher risk of fatality, injury, and illness than the average American worker. From slips and falls to the equipment failures, collisions, fires, and unsafe work practices and negligence, offshore injuries usually require costly medical care, sometimes long-term. Catastrophic injuries can mean an injured worker who relies on his or her physical ability may not be able to return to work. This can be devastating for families, particularly if the worker is the sole breadwinner and can no longer earn a living. Offshore injuries are covered by laws that are different from those that apply to land-based workers. If you or someone you love has been injured or fallen ill while working offshore, we encourage you to get in touch with an experienced offshore injury attorney and Montana Maritime Law as soon as possible to request your free case evaluation. Types of offshore injuries. When an offshore worker takes on employment in the maritime industry, it's understood the job is physically demanding and comes with inherent risks that are far more dangerous compared to land-based work. Injuries are common and range from the very minor to horrific and even death. In many cases, minor injuries can become much more significant over time. Some of the most common types of offshore injuries include traumatic brain injury, spinal and back injuries, slips and falls, loss of hearing, loss of limbs, crushing injuries and broken bones, hypothermia and frostbite, drowning, lung damage, fatalities, claiming compensation for offshore injuries.